What's going on, peeps? Listen, if you're a trader, you're gonna want to stick around for the next 5 to 10 minutes. You read the title correct. This is I don't want to say account flip. I don't really like that word. Growing an account from 200 to a very large sum of money. Some of you have probably seen a lot or most of my videos. If you're subscribers, you've seen some of them. If you're not, maybe you've seen some of my videos like this one, or you've seen some of my Instagram posts like these ones, and this one in specific when I had my first $100,000 day in 2017. That year, I went from making in 2017, the end of 2016, I went full-time with gold instead of trading currencies and other things like that. I was doing gold full-time, and that year I went from, at the start of the year, making 500 to 1,500, 2,000 on a given trading day. By summertime, I had my first 50K day, then 80K day, and then by November of that same year, I had my first 100K day. So that's that one that I posted there. For those of you who are new here, my name is Chris. I've been trading for 10.5 years now. I started in penny stocks. I went through every other market that you could possibly go through. I've gone through every single high and low. Have done a lot of account flips, some from $36 to $2,500 in like 3 or 4 days. Keep in mind, obviously, a lot of risk was used for these. But yeah, $36 to like $2,500 in 2 or 3 days. I did that one in my my student chats a few years ago. I think it was in 2021, 2022, somewhere in there. I have grown 5,000 to 250K. That was in October of 2017, sorry. 2017, yeah, 2017. That was in October 2017. That was over a 5-day period. What else have I done? I've done a lot of them. I've done 575 to 67 or 68,000 in 5 or 6 days. Again, all with high risk. My favorite one that I've done is probably this one that you've seen, wherever it's posted. It's that one that you've seen there. I'm sure you've seen it on my Instagram already, which I grew from 30,000 to 665,000 in 6 weeks. That one was the least amount of risk on any account growth that I've done. It was also the least amount of time that I've spent. If you go back and you watch those highlights, I speak more in depth about it, but I spent on average anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes a day on the computer between my analysis and actually executing the trades, and then setting my levels, walking away from the computer and going on with the rest of my day. But yeah, I grew 30K to 665 in 6 weeks. Never done a funded account. I've never owned a funded or a prop firm. Never owned a broker. I don't have close relationships with any brokers to have any weird stuff done on my trades or statements. All of my accounts are live accounts. Nothing is ever a demo account. Nothing is ever a funded account. This will be the first time on a live account that someone grows $200 to a large sum of money. People may have done it on demo accounts or funded accounts, or they own a prop firm and they did it through their prop firm. But this will be the first time in the history of mankind that someone does this on a live account. You will have receipts of the statements. I won't be sharing the broker that I'm using. I'll be posting the videos and the screenshots and everything. I'll be blocking out the broker because I don't want people going to a broker because of me, and then if they potentially have issues, I don't want any of that headache. but everything will be verified. My FX books, my FX books, the deposits, the withdrawals, the crypto wallets, withdrawals, everything will be kept track of. I will be starting with $200 more or less. The reason for that is you don't need a lot of money to make money in this. As I've said in the previous accounts that I've grown, again, high risk was taken on those, but you don't need a lot of money to make money in this. You need a lot of skill, you need a lot of time, you need a lot of dedication, a lot of consistency. Those are the things you do need. A lot of discipline, a lot of patience. I don't know if I said any of those twice. But money you don't need a lot of. If you have the skill set, you can grow $100 or $200. If you don't have the skill set, you'll lose $1,000. You'll lose a $10,000 account, a $100,000 account, $1 million account. The more money you have does not make trading easier. If anything, it makes trading more difficult, because psychologically a regular person that makes 50, 60, even 100,000 a year will struggle with seeing a trade open instantly in the negative with 20,000 or 30,000 or 50,000, depending on how big the trade is. I've had trades that I've opened that they instantly started within a few pips, because every trade that you open, if you're new, every trade that you open is going to start in the negative because of spread. And I've had trades open with the negative spread from when you open the trade at 80,000, 100,000, 150,000. From just massive amounts of lots, and a regular person can't handle that, right? So prop firms and all that stuff, I'll get into it in one of the next videos. I've already stated my opinion in a previous video, so go watch that one if you haven't. But yeah, I mean, listen, if you want to stick around and you want to see this, I'm not setting a time. This could be 2 weeks, this could be 2 months, this could be 2 years long, who knows. I will be doing a lot of posts on my story on Instagram about it. So if you're subscribed here, you obviously, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, if you're not following me, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me there, because I will be posting that on my story frequently. I will be posting the trades that I've taken, the profit for the day, whatever the case is. And again, like I said, I'm doing 200 because you don't need a lot of money to make money in this. And not just that, a lot of people don't have 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 to throw in an account. People, it's very realistic for someone to build the skill set, hone the craft, and then take 200 or 500, put it in an account and grow it day by day, week by week, month by month. I'm not setting a target. This account could grow to 100,000, it could grow to 2 million, it could grow to 10 million, it could grow to $10. Who knows? You got to stick around and see. You got to go follow on Instagram. You got to subscribe here. I'll be making videos about it. I'll be posting about it. I've made a video like this one about compounding accounts. Many people have done many of the steps throughout that. There's some that have made it halfway. There's some that have made it to a couple $100,000 by following that simple video that I made years ago. Compounding an account is the most powerful skill you can have outside of the actual craft of trading itself, and knowing how to compound an account properly, because there's a certain and specific method and way that you need to do it properly to not take 2 steps forward and 4 steps back. But yeah, I'm excited for this. I genuinely believe from the bottom of my heart that this is something that God's asking me to do, to inspire you guys. It's something that I've been praying on and asking God for the last few weeks to lead me and to guide me, to be able to inspire and motivate people to maybe not even get into trading, but just push themselves to change their life, you know what I mean? So I'm excited to make this. It's been 10.5 years of trading and many ups and downs, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun series, a fun journey, a fun little chapter or segment in this chapter of life, and I hope you enjoy it. I love you. Take care. We'll see you on the other side. Ciao, ciao.